how to make money on Inbox Dollars. Now this video is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know, including what Inbox Dollars is, if Inbox Dollars is actually legit, how much you can earn, and how you can get signed up and start making money as soon as today. So if that sounds like something you are interested in, keep watching this video, as this is going to be the most value-packed survey website video that you have ever watched. Okay, so I'm here on inboxdollars.com, and right here it says be rewarded for watching videos, taking surveys and shopping. So you can literally be paid for all of these guys. You can watch videos and make money, you can take surveys and make money, and you can also shop and make money. Which sounds crazy, but I'm going to take a deeper dive into all of these methods later on. But if we scroll down, as you can see, it shows you step by step how this actually works. So brands pay them for customer input. They recruit members like you. You do online activities like paid surveys, paid videos and TV, redeeming free food and grocery coupons, paid shopping and more, and you can earn real cash, not points. Now that is very important, guys. Most of these survey sites will make you earn points, and then you have to earn hundreds of thousands of points to actually earn $1. On this website, it is completely different. You actually earn real cash and not just points. So that is a huge bonus that Inbox Dollars has over its competitors, and why I really like it as one of my favorite survey sites. So they tell you a little bit about each method right here. So if you take paid online surveys, these online surveys pay from 50 cents to $5 and take 3 to 25 minutes to complete. Now there are even some online surveys that pay $10, $20 or even more if you match the demographic profile they are looking for. Now this is important, guys, and stay around because I'm going to show you how you can get into these top tiers. We then have this watch videos. Big brands want consumers to watch short snippets of their content like movie trailers. They pay Inbox Dollars and then they share a portion of those earnings with you. And now for the games, guys, I'll be honest, I would recommend some of them but not all. So their own games here like Monkey Bubble Shooter and Solitaire and these, they are actually okay and you can earn some money. But they also do casino offers, which I would recommend you to stay away from, because all you can earn is 18% cashback, so you are probably still going to lose money with the casino offers. You can also get cashback for online shopping. Once again, guys, it's worth doing if you are shopping anyway, but you can't really earn too much. You can get paid for reading emails. So receive our best offers directly to your email and we'll pay you cash just for reading them. Or completely offer for additional earning opportunities. It's quick and easy to get paid for doing what you're already doing online. Then finally, we have coupon cash rewards. Get access to free coupons for groceries, home beauty and more, and then use them to save money on your everyday purchases while also earning cashback in your account for every coupon you redeem. So you can see, guys, there is a whole plethora of ways that you can earn on Inbox Dollars, and all of these are pretty awesome, as I said, apart from the games and the online shopping. Now, this Inbox Dollars have paid out over $80 million in cash rewards, which is absolutely crazy. And then you can come down here, guys, and see some of the guys they have worked with: Netflix, Target, H&R Block, Walmart and PCH. And just to prove further that Inbox Dollars is legit and this website is not a scam, you can see that they have 4.1 stars on Trustpilot, and if we take a look at some of the best reviews, easy to cash out is very simple, and all of these people are giving some awesome reviews about Inbox Dollars. Now another awesome thing, guys, is that you can get $5 for completely free for literally just signing up with Inbox Dollars. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign up, get my $5 and then show you around the rest of the website. So I've just signed up and it says confirm your email to earn $5 for free. So let's go and do that. And just like that, guys, that is possibly the easiest $5 I have ever earned. And as you can see, the $5 is in my account. So from here, you can see there are a bunch of options we can choose from. Now I want to read my mail first of all, see what they said. So there is a few paid options right here, like for example this one. If we go on current, this says requires a minimum $25 minimum deposit within 30 days. Cashback will pend for 32 days and must be a new current customer. And if you do this, they say you can get $50 cashback, which sounds pretty awesome. Now we have all of these other websites right here, and you can even do this on, okay, so Magic Receipts And you can see, guys, that these are like the cashback that I was talking about. So I recommend that you play around with these, guys. These are the main offers. And then, of course, if you don't want to pay anything, like I don't really want to be honest, guys, I don't really like paying for my offers. What I prefer to do is come over to the surveys, and you can see here is you have to take these surveys right here to qualify you and see if you are actually able to do the job. So if we just take a look at a few of these, you can see right here, earn $30 for installing this app called Come Play Family Island, and you must reach level 24 within 7 days, and this will be pending for 14 days. So you have the options right here, guys. And the main way you can flick between these is at the top here. So if you want to do surveys, you can come over and do surveys for completely free. You can go to videos, and this is where you can actually go ahead and start watching some videos. So actually they don't have any videos that are available at this time. You can go to the shop though, and this is where you can actually go, and this is where you can get cashback for actually going out and shopping. We also have games right here, and this is where you can get paid for playing games. So you have a few like this. You have solitaire right here, and we can even go up and you can actually earn money for referring friends. So if we go over to this category, if you invite friends, you can get 30% of their lifetime earnings. So guys, all you would have to do is take your link and share it out to friends and family, and that is another awesome way that you can earn with Inbox Dollars. So as it says down here, invite your friends to Inbox Dollars and you will earn instantly $1 in cash. Your friend then joins, and then you will earn 30% of anything they earn. So if your friend Billy earned $15 this week, you will earn 30% of that, which is $4.50. Obviously, the more friends you refer, the more you will earn, and this can actually be turned into a completely passive stream of income. All you have to do is invite your friends, get them to sign up, and then you can kick back and earn technically completely passive earnings. Now, finally, guys, I just want to show you how you can actually cash out, and you can do so by coming up to rewards at the top. And you can see that there are a few things that you can choose from. So we have Amazon, American Airlines, Applebee's, and all of these, you know guys, all of these awesome American shops. But the main two, if you would just like to get physical cash, or I should say digital cash, is using PayPal right here. You can also go for Visa, or you can go for, do they not have MasterCard? Okay, so it doesn't look like they have MasterCard. So if you want cash, go with either PayPal or Visa. Or actually, you can also go with American Express. So if we just go and click PayPal, you can see that you can choose one of these right here. So you either have $15, $30, $40, $50, or $100. So you can just go through, guys, and they will send you over the PayPal code once you have the right amount of money in your account. Now, making money with Inbox Dollars is an absolutely awesome way to make money online. However, in my opinion, the best way to make money online is through a business model called affiliate marketing. Now, this is what I did, and in my first month, I made $7.2 thousand. If you want to learn exactly how I did this, you can click the first link down in the description. I made a video and I will tell you more about it. Now, that is how you can make money with Inbox Dollars. Thank you for watching.